Surely no doubt that the hearts can achieve the peace, the tranquility, the calmness with the remembrance of Allah. How great is the remembrance of Allah? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran, if you can write the words of Allah and you can make all the seas to become a ink, and if you make all the trees to become the pen, and then you keep on writing the words of Allah, then all the seas can be finished, and all the trees can be finished, but you cannot finish the writing the words of Allah. What is the meaning of words of Allah? Remembrance of Allah, the greatness of Allah, the glorification of Allah, the praises of Allah. And the La ilaha illallah itself is the greatest word of Allah, which can keep on writing the greatness of Allah. We cannot finish it. How great Allah is. For instance, logically or the scientifically, if we were to count the stars in the universe, we cannot finish in our life. We need the billions of years just to count the stars only, just to write the numbers of stars. How is it? For example, the galaxy in which we are living in this universe, it called by the scientists the Milky Way galaxy. And the Milky Way galaxy contains 300 billion stars in our galaxy. 300 billion stars. And those stars there are stars which are millions of times bigger than our Earth. And how many total galaxies? According to the scientists, there are more than 300 billion galaxies. So 6 billion people, 8 billion people in the Earth today, and if you are going to count and write down the names of stars in the book, all of us, and then go for the other galaxy, then another galaxy, then another galaxy, how long you will finish the 300 billion galaxies? In every galaxy, about 300 billion stars. Just to counting the creation of Allah, we cannot do it in our lives. We need the millions of years of life to finish counting the stars only. How is the greatness of Allah, which is unlimited, infinite? How big is the universe? Still, it's a limited creation of Allah. That Allah Himself is unlimited. And if you are going to remember this great God, you will be very happy. Your heart will be very happy. Your mind will be very cool. You will have no depression at all. And you will be very strong. But if you believe in a God who is a human being like us, similar to us, and who is hiding from the persecution, and who has been tortured on the earth, like example, the Jesus Christ. According to the Christian theology, he was hiding from the Jews, and he was being captured, etc. So how is possible that God can be like this, who has been tortured by the people, persecuted by the people? And if you believe in this kind of God, how you can get rid of depression? Because you can say even the God is Kawawa, then how can God can help me? So that is it. You need to believe in the powerful God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the infinite God. Jesus Christ was none but the prophet of Allah, the great prophet of Allah, a great human being. Like Hindus in India, they believe the cow is a God. How could a cow can be God? Cow needs us to feed them. We are the one feeding the cows, and we are the one getting the milk from the cow. So how this remembrance of cow can get rid of you from depression? But when you believe in the true God, the infinite God, who make this great universe, all the human beings and everything is created by Him, and if you remember Him, then He can remove all the depression from you, and you will not do anything wrong to your life. You will never think of suicide, but you will be always happy because you believe in a powerful God who can do anything, and whatever you need, He can give it to you. So always getting close to the Almighty God and ask for all the things, and He will give you, and ask all the problems to solve. Pray to Allah and He can help you. May Allah guide us. May Allah forgive us.